My husband and I recently discovered the most delicious delivery kitchen serving up the most amazing authentic Awadhi cuisine. One can expect a treat for all your senses with their melt-in-your-mouth kebabs, aromatic biryanis, delicious gravies, and soft rotis. So the food arrives in sustainable packaging like glass jars, clay handis, and steel cutlery. Dum means to breathe and Pukht means to cook. This style of slow cooking is done in sealed pots. This ensures that the aromas, flavours and nutrition of the food remains intact. The Art of Dum Pukht specialities include the Dal Makhani, which is cooked overnight, slow-cooked Dum Handi ka Gosht, which takes about 6 hours of preparation. Our personal favourites so far have been the butter chicken, kali dal, paneer tikka and biryani. So as you can see, the Art of Dum has become a household favourite. We absolutely love it. Every time we're craving nice Indian Awadhi cuisine, this is where we order from. So now I'm going to finish my meal and you get ordering.